My name is George Bushney. I bought the Patio Factory about in late 2012. We've been going at it for 8 years now. In the 8 years, it's been a good business to be in. What we manufacture are flat patios. Right now, the raised flat skillion is very popular. Gable patios, dome patios, verandahs, carports, whatever design you want, freestanding, attached to the house, whatever. We come out and tailor design, and we also give advice on colours. We do the local Perth market, Mandurah, well, anywhere. I personally love dealing with the rural areas, the farmers. I find the outlying areas no problem at all. And you know, there's a lot of patios where people wouldn't attempt to do them because they're too difficult. We don't stop at the too difficult market. If you had to take the experience all round in the company, we've probably got about 100 years. We will respond to the difficult ones where possible. Customer care is our bottom line here in this business. We just are committed to customer care and doing the best that we can for our customers. The Australian Blue Scope steel is the best product available. That's what we use, and we use it consistently. Only Blue Scope. We only use Australian steel because, you know, in Australia we've got to look after ourselves first. And so I'm a great supporter of using Australian branded products and Australian products.